Come on, boys and girls. Professor Ray here, doing another installation of the show. The Earth is spinning with Professor Ray. Yay, Earth is spinning. Now, the reason why Professor Ray got dressed up today is because he's been looking for a job. Because the Australian government has decided to pull the plug on Professor Ray's research to show you guys that the Earth is spinning. But never mind the things we do for science. Always trust the science. Now, today's experiment is going to be in two parts. Professor Ray is going to fly to China on the top of the globe, and he's going to drop a ball, and it's going to fly through the Earth. It's going to fly 5,000 miles through molten rock, through the inner crust and outer crust, and land 5,000 miles away on the other side, on the bottom of the globe. Don't ask us how we know that, because the furthest we've ever dug down is 14 kilometers.
The Soviet Union drilled a hole more than 12 kilometers deep in Siberia, which shares borders with Norway and Finland. The project to drill into the Earth's surface began in the 1970s, when Soviet scientists wanted to learn more about. Over 2 decades, they managed to dig more than 7.5 miles down into the Earth. The drill broke through into a cavity, and the scientists lowered some equipment to see what was down there. An extremely heat-tolerant microphone, along with other sensory equipment, were lowered into the well. The temperature was about 1,100 degrees centigrade, about 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But the real shocker was the disturbing sound that was recorded. They only got about 17 seconds of audio before the microphone melted, but it was 17 horrifying seconds of the screams of the damned. The screams of the hell.
Follow him. So I'm not going to lie, this is absolutely shocking. Check this out.
Did we find hell on Earth? This is the deepest man-made hole on Earth. It goes 7.5 miles deep and took 19 years to dig. Many strange things were discovered during the dig, but when they lowered a microphone all the leading many to think that the digging penetrated the gates of hell, allowing the screams of the dead to be heard.
Whatever you believe on the matter, hell is a horrendous place you don't want to go. Jesus Christ is the only way. Repent and follow him.
Like I said before, always trust the science. We never lie. And when Professor Ray gets to China, he's going to drop a ball, and it's going to go through the top of the globe, through the Earth, and Professor Ray is going to jump in his spacecraft and fly Mach 100,000. I think that's how fast it goes. Ha ha ha! But when you're a liar, you gotta have a good memory. And Professor Ray has a shocking memory. But never mind. Always trust the science. Now, to start this experiment, we have to go outside. Professor Ray has arrived in China. As you can see, there's lots of dandelions around. We'll have to get the government to come and kill them. We don't want people being killed of their cancers. Anyway, this is the first part of the experiment. We're in China. Professor Ray is going to drop this ball. It's going to travel through the Earth and come outside in Australia, and that will prove that Earth is a globe. Ready? Okay, now here we are in Australia, on the bottom of the globe, and there's the hole, and the ball's gonna come out of there any second now. I think I can hear it coming. Yes! Professor Ray Ray caught the ball. That proves the Earth is a globe, because I dropped it from China, and I grabbed it in Australia. Yay! The Earth is a globe! Yay! Now the second part of this experiment, while Professor Ray Ray's in China, he's going to go to the bathroom and flush the toilet. And you will see that the water spins in a different direction to what it does in Australia on the bottom of the globe. So Professor Ray Ray is going to flush the toilet in China. He's going to fly back to Australia and flush the toilet in Australia, and you guys will see that the water spins in a different direction. That also proves that the Earth is spinning, and that also proves the Earth is a globe, okay? Now, I hope you guys appreciate how much trouble Professor Ray Ray could get himself into. China and the West are at war at the moment. So I hope you really appreciate the science, okay? After this experiment, you guys can never doubt NASA again. We always tell the truth. Bullcrap! Bullcrap! We never lie! That proves gravity! The Earth is spinning with Professor Ray Ray! Yay! Earth is spinning!